The impact of the coronavirus pandemic on supply chains has been rapid, and it's affected businesses worldwide. Connecting digitally has been vital to minimise disruption. Cloud-based strategic sourcing platform Scanmarket has been helping its customers to manage their businesses during the pandemic and to become more efficient whilst reducing future risk.
Few industries felt the sudden onset of the coronavirus pandemic more than the airline business. As countries locked down, Emirates flight catering had just 3 days to adapt disrupted supply chains which spanned the globe.
At the outset of COVID, the change in our business was dramatic. We went from over 200,000 meals per day to zero, and we had to pivot very quickly to develop new supply chains and find new supply partners to open up new areas of commodities and products that we needed to buy.
Fortunately, the team at Emirates Flight Catering were already working with Scanmarket, which had been helping with its digital transformation.
Scanmarket was vital in our response because it opened up new geographies and new supply chains in order to allow us to bring new products in to support not only our staff but also our customers.
Scanmarket is a global provider of strategic sourcing software for hundreds of organisations around the world. Since the crisis, it's seen a shift in attitudes to negotiating and a new willingness to embrace the online marketplace.
Well, the impact of the businesses has been huge, and Scanmarket has helped our clients digitalize their processes and create awareness and create transparency in order for them to be able to mitigate the risks that they're facing.
Associated British Foods have been working with Scanmarket for 10 years. As the largest food producer in the UK, it was vital to ensure products continued reaching supermarket shelves.
Having access to Scanmarket during a time when people were locked up at home, but still needed to work hard to ensure supply continuity, it was invaluable to have a tool that we could use to communicate en masse to suppliers and consolidate all of their responses.
While continuity of supply is crucial, value for money and price negotiation can never be compromised, so ABF needs a tool enabling them to secure the best possible supplier.
Given our recent experiences as a result of coronavirus and supply chain challenges, supply assurance has got to be the number one priority. But equally, we need to ensure that we're buying competitively. So the Scanmarket tool has allowed us to continue with our RFQ processes and online negotiation processes where appropriate.
For Scanmarket, transparency and data awareness are the key to helping businesses thrive and succeed.
Well, our vision of the future is that it is already post-COVID now. The expensive part is the change management part, the people part, and it has actually been done cheaper than it would have been pre-COVID. So data analysis, efficiency, transparency is really the center of everything we do. And the better we do that, the better we would become at forecasting and mitigating risks and optimizing our processes and make good informed decisions for the future.